Alright, you're welcome back. So now we're going to continue from where we stopped in our last class. That is how to calculate the paint required for a building using the architectural drawing or architectural designs case may be. So now, for those of you that were with us in our last class, I've actually done the areas to be painted by calculating the total area, then deducting the openings from it, and that later gave us what was our required square areas to be painted.
286.8.
That's 386.08 square meters. Now, for those of us that have bought our book, there's a formula we use. And in case you are yet to get our book on painting and paint production, which is tagged the Painter's Companion, you can check the link. It is there on the Amazon. You can get the hard copy as well. So our formula is this: paint in liters equals surface area over spreading rate times number of coats. So as I said, the P liter means paint in liters. It means whatever we get is going to be in liters, not in drum, not in gallon. The SA denotes surface area, then the SR means spreading rate, and the N substitute means number of coats. So and in this case, what is our this is what we are looking for. So what is our surface area? 386.08 square meters. What is our spreading rate? Using the G codes maths, do not forget we are using 12. Number of coats. So let's assume you are painting, you are coating a 3. You are giving 3 coats because an external. So that will be 3. So what would that give us? This divided by this times 3. 96.1.
51.
Liters. Do not forget, it's going to be in liters now. Going to be in liters. So this is square area as well. 12 square area, that's the coverage. So this will cancel this. So then to be in this liters. Okay, to be in this liters. Now there are some things that we need to consider. We are going to consider potting if required. Cutting. I'm going to consider cutting. I'm going to consider spillage. What else you need to consider? Cutting, spillage, and waste/spillage. So okay. So now add our cutting. If the wall is not a screeded surface, so it means we are going to require cutting. But in this case, we don't need that. The wall has been screeded, so this is not required. But for the cut, when we say cutting, that is the areas we are going to use brush to cover. The areas that roller cannot touch it, like the angles, the corners, the down, cannot roll up to the floor. So you have to use brush to do it. The window sill, all those areas, you have to use paint and brush to coat them. So those are, so let's give it depending on the openings that we have. All those openings now, they are sealed, window sealed, are going to be painted with brush. So let's assume 50%. Add 15% cutting. So what is 50% of this? What will it give us? So then, as for our spillage and waste, because it is external, so it is even prone to the waste is likely to be much more. And when you are saying waste, it comprises of the paint that the roller will soak. So after working for that day, if you are using another color, you have to wash it out. You have to wash it away. So the paint will waste in one way or the other. So, and unforeseen circumstances, all have to be considered. So let's consider 20% of that. Remember that you might have painted the wall. So, but before handing over, it is possible that the children walking around might stain it. Even workers, other workers can stain it. You still need to repaint it. So that is why we need this. So what is the 15% of this? What is the 20% of 96.52? 14.478. Then 20%. So what will the total give us? 30 liters. So now need to determine the paint you are buying. Is it available in 20 liters container, or 5 liters, or 4 liters? So our G-coat is available in 20 liters container. So we divide it by 20 to get the number of drums that we will be needing. So maybe you complete it with gallons or only drums. So when you divide this 130.30 liters divided by 20 liters that we have in a container, what would that give us? 6.5 drums. So we can say approximately 7 drums of paint. I can say 6 drums and maybe 3 gallons. So most of the time that 3 gallons, the minute it might be close to the cost of the 1 drum. So in a nutshell, this is how to calculate it. So let's now add this the cost. So that will be 7 drums at 48,000 naira. That will give us what? 336,000. 336,000. So this is how to get the paint required using architectural design. So for try to calculate, determine the paint required for the internal of this ground floor. So you can still go back to the part 1 of it. Look at the ground floor. So calculate the paint required for it. Send your result to the comment section and to be attended to. So, and if you have any other question, feel free to send it to the comment section. Likewise, you would like us to address or to explain any other aspect of the painting or construction related stuff, so you are free to mention that in the comment section. And do not forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues so as to encourage us to do more. Alright, bye.